Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today we're proud to present the iGo folding mobility scooter just released by Pride Mobility. The iGo is powered by an airline-friendly lithium-ion battery pack. It'll give you up to 9.3 miles per charge and a top speed of 4 miles per hour. It also has a weight capacity of 275 pounds. Now let's demonstrate the iGo and take it for a test drive. Now is the time to regain your mobility independence with the iGo by Pride Mobility. Call today and receive free shipping and a 1-year in-home service plan.